In this video I'll show you how to make a nice image for your product for Instagram post. All you need to do is to go to Canva. It's a graphic design platform. If you want to try Canva Pro 30 days for free, you have a link in the description. So when you sign up for Canva, just go to the social media, then press Instagram post. Perfect. Now what you can do is to go here and type product display good on. And now you can find so many templates here. You can see like this. So you can just delete this one and put your product here. Okay. You can have this template, This one looks so nice. Just delete these things. Okay, so just put your product here. You have so many templates here. But let's say you don't find something what you like here. Delete everything, okay? And go to elements. Here you type same thing, product, display. And here you can go to photos and find different photos. Okay, so just put your product here. Or maybe you want something like this, simple, easy. So you have so many backgrounds here. Also, for example, how I say this one, if you want something easy, something simple, in background you can go to graphics after and you can find different stand for your product, like this one, for example. Okay, you can choose the color also, however you want, doesn't matter. Okay, let's say this one same, something like this. Okay, and now let's say upload your product. I don't have any product, so I just go here, I type perfume. Okay, let's take a photo. So this is our product, for example. Just leave here and now you have beautiful image for your Instagram post. I hope you like this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.